Hi guys. Let's see how to clean up your Windows 10 computer. This will clean your disks. First you have to search Disk Cleanup. Then select Disk Cleanup. So there you can see drop-down selection of your drives. Here you can see your available drives to select. After selecting any drive you can see the files that can remove and free up space on your drive. Then you have to select which are to remove. After selecting files you can click OK button to remove those files from the drive. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.